In most of my conversations around observability, it's all about how can we ingest more and more observability data, more logs, metrics, and traces, and spans, and everything else you have. The question that hardly ever get asked is who actually has access to what type of this observability data? For instance, does it make sense that a development team has access to revenue or customer details that it can extract out of logs? Probably not. Should the business be bombarded and overwhelmed with crash logs or Kubernetes resource usage? Why would they even need this type of data? How about the cloud team? They should not worry about application logs or distributed traces, right? This is all stuff that we hardly ever talk about. So in order to learn more about access control for observability, I recorded 2 sessions with 2 of my colleagues, Florian and Jon. Florian actually walked me through granular access control in Dynatrace. He explained to me how we deal with user groups, with policies and boundaries, going from a broad set of privileges and going down vertically to fine-grained control, which user, which group has access to what type of data. The question is, how can you then scale this? And this is where Jon comes in. He then showed through a Terraform example on how we can horizontally scale observability policy configuration, so access control configuration, to standardize who has access to what type of data. Right? So check out the videos that are kind of coming into the YouTube channel, but please be reminded, observability is more than just ingesting data and putting it on the dashboard. You need to have a clear definition of who is allowed and should see what type of data at which point in time. See ya.